Now, this illustration deals with accessibility. In accordance with NEC 250.68A as in Apple. Now, notice to the left, the metal water pipe, it qualifies as an electrode with 10 feet or more of it in the earth in accordance with 250.52A1. Now, notice this could be a T-type situation. We teed up into the water heater closet. We've teed up now underneath this sink. And the metal water pipe complies with 250.52A1, and it's installed by 250.53D as in dog, and it's accessible. Now, just by opening the door there and having access in there is accessible area. Now, that's required in 250.68A for a metal water pipe. Not readily accessible, but accessible. Now, we can define those terms in Article 100, if need be, to discuss, says the authority having jurisdiction with electrician maybe. Now, notice the grounding connection to the metal water pipe is connected to the disposal or dishwasher, and we may be grounding the grounding electrode conductor to that metal water pipe in this location in accordance with 250.68, A as in apple and B as in boy. And that's what this illustration 16-86.3 is illustrating, that there's a number of means by which we can ground the grounding electrode conductor to earth ground through a metal water pipe. This is one of the locations that would be considered accessible, but it is always up to the authority having jurisdiction what size metal water pipe could be used to connect what size grounding electrode conductor to by the chart we previously looked at. Always review with the authority having jurisdiction, or you as an electrician, using the right type of fitting to connect the grounding electrode conductor to a metal water pipe as shown in this illustration.